Hey guys, this is Crystal Allen. I'm an actor and a chef, and I'm here with DESIRELIST to show you some of my favorite products that I have in my house that I use almost every couple days. So we'll start with salads, just like we're starting with an appetizer. I love this miso dressing. It's a ginger miso dressing. It's got carrot, ginger, white miso, rice vinegar, and shallots in it. And it's so nice. When you go to the Japanese restaurants, they have that. That's what it's like. It's like that miso dressing that you get on your salads. This little guy goes a long way. It keeps in the fridge. It's a curry green paste made by Thai Kitchen. You can find it in any grocery store. And it's just a nice green curry paste. They also have a red one. I go back and forth between the red and the green. I do a lot of Asian cooking, and I put that in. Just a little spoonful of it is all you need, so it goes a long way. While we're in this Asian theme, soy sauce. Okay, I like using soy sauce, but I found this new product just recently. It's Coconut Secret, that's the brand, and it's coconut aminos, but it's a soy-free seasoning. It's not, so you don't have to worry about all that sodium. It's got 73% less sodium. It's no GMOs, no MSG, it's vegan, and it's really nice to cook with. So this is it's like a Marin sweetened sake, and it's by Sushi Chef. You can find it in like the Asian section of grocery stores. You just need a little tiny bit. A little bit goes a long way. In fact, this lasts like 3 or 4 months. So this is a great olive oil. It's a new restaurant that just opened up called Avra in Beverly Hills. The key to a really good olive oil is green. If you put it on the plate and it's green, oh, it's so good. I love pasta, but like it's filling, it's carbs, and we're always trying to, not eat carbs, but this tastes like, this is organic brown spaghetti, gluten-free pasta. Now, I don't use a lot of gluten-free pastas, but this is the only one I use because it really does taste like homemade pasta. I swear by it. Just make sure it's brown spaghetti and it's rice, but the spaghetti one is the best one I've tried. So these are my products that I use in the kitchen, and I basically use these almost every week. I swear by all of them.